If you want to change the world, change your world first. Everyone wants to change the world outside, whereas change begins with us first. Hi, I am Garima Arora Kannan, founder of Life Leadership Movement, where my purpose is to inspire you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life. Since the time I've started this movement and made various videos on Life Leadership Movement, and especially the one where I spoke about 9 to 5 you may have a boss and 5 to 9 you are your own boss, I have received multiple calls, emails, messages regarding the life leadership, how to be a life leader, how to get those qualities ingrained in us, how to get that attitude of being a life leader, and various other queries. Few of the most important concerns and the most common concerns that people had were, how do I structure my 5 to 9? Primarily, how do I structure my after work life? The other important concern they had, that I have no time after work. What do I structure? Then some of the people had shortage of money, shortage of time, shortage of other resources. Some said there are challenges in my work. I don't have a great team. I don't have a supportive boss. There is no growth in my work anymore. I am stagnating in my career. So many of these people were generally complaining, blaming things outside of them. Keeping all these concerns in mind, I have crafted a program for people who are committed to take the charge of their life, to take complete ownership of their life and be a leader of their life, not just in their work, but even after their work, in spite of all the challenges present in their life. For people who are devoted to create a life which is fulfilled, which is happy, in which they are successful. In this program, I am going to share some time-tested tools and techniques which will be an eye-opener for you. It will help you flourish in its true sense. The program is designed to impact your mindset to develop a winner's attitude. So if you want to bring some enormous change in your world and the world around you, do join Life Leadership Movement. Drop by drop, let's create an ocean of change. For further details, I have put the link below. You must not miss this session. Go for it. Register now. See you there.